Hey, good afternoon. Paul McMann here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Wednesday, November 15th, 2023, about a minute after 4 p.m. So glad you could join me for my analysis of the overnight trade setup. Last night, we only took one trade and it ended up getting stopped out. Was a situation where the signal was there. I was a little hesitant. I think I mentioned it that since we had such a big up day, I couldn't see that there was much more up in the movement. It did go up a little bit, but it didn't go up the 11 pips we needed. So it ended up reversing, and then we got stopped out. So let's see what we've got for tonight. The strategy I am going to use, we've got a dozen different trade signals. I am using a modified version of what we call a 10-point trade, and I am doing it off of a day chart. And so here's the day chart. We're going to take two trades, one on the Euro USD and one on the pound yen. And I am looking for what the green line on the major indicator is doing. And the green line is flat. Green line is flat. So that's neither up nor down. Usually we will have a clear signal on whether it's up or down. Just before the hour switched, it was going up just a bit. So it has come down since then. It's come down to go flat. And when I see the signal here, I confirm it off of the 12-hour chart, which is telling me sell. The 8-hour chart, which is telling me sell. And then for the fun of it, I also look and see what the 4, which is saying sell, the 2, which is saying sell, and the 1, which is kind of saying sell. So we've got, we don't have a clear signal here. So we're not gonna take a trade on the Euro USD tonight. I'd keep an eye on this. If this does start to tilt down, you can probably get away with an 11 pip sell. But I'm gonna pass right now. Let's see what we've got on the pound yen. And again, we don't always have to be trading. Let's just wait till we have a clear signal and then take it from there. Day chart on the pound yen. We have got a very slight buy. The green line is overbought. It's significantly overbought, but it is continuing to go up. So that's buy. 12-hour is telling me buy. 8 hours telling me buy. So the 8, the 12, the day chart are telling me buy. I've got a buy on the 4-hour also. It has started to turn on the 2 and it's coming down on the 1. So we can go ahead and take a 22 pip buy. I'm going to take a 22 pip buy on the on the pound yen. So no trade on the Euro USD. Join me tomorrow morning, bright and early at 6:30 a.m. And we will do a live trade together. And we will use the 10-point signal on a 1-hour chart and see what we can come up with. If you want to learn how to trade, if you don't like how much money you're making, if you need more free time, and you want to be able to do what you want when you want to be your own boss, trading is a perfect gig for you. I've been doing it for the last 4 years. I wish I figured it out 20 years ago, but we've got to begin where we're at. So if you're ready to get going, we can train you, and we are so confident that once we've trained you, we'll let you trade with our money and split what you make. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.